Good evening, students. Each and every step of contribution is social distancing is very essential. Dear students, you are watching class 7 science chapter number 1st nutrition in plants. Now, the dear students, in the last video we discussed the process of photosynthesis. In this video we will discuss the process of photosynthesis bioactivity. So let's start. Excess glucose is converted into starch. Dear students, that glucose is what? Stored food which is prepared by the plant during the photosynthesis. That is simple carbohydrate is converted into starch. Starch is what? That is complex carbohydrate. Starch is stored in different parts of the plant. We know very well what are the different parts of plant. That is leaf, stem, roots. Such as the leaves, root and stem. This food is transported to other parts of the plant through tube-like structures called phloem. Phloem is what? That is tissue. There are two tissue in the plants, phloem as well as xylem. The work of xylem and phloem is what I will show you by the diagram. Dear students, just look at the pictures. Water absorbed by the roots and it's transported to the leaves and the other part by a tissue. That tissue is called xylem, and the food which is prepared by the plant is transported to leaves to the other part of a plants like stem and the roots. In the roots by a tissue. That tissue is called phloem. Now, dear students, you hope you understood that the work of xylem and phloem in the plant. Now, turn your page, come to the activity. Aim to show that photosynthesis takes place in a green leaves. By this activity, we also prove that starch is present in the leaves. What are the material required for this activity? Green leaves form a plant growing in a sunny spot. Means to say, we have to take a plant leaf, the plant which is growing in a sunny area. Next requirement, alcohol, iodine solution, water, dropper, beaker, test tube and the burner. Procedure, let's start. Boil the green leaf in water for a few minutes to soften it. Just look at the picture, dear students. Just we take a beaker. This beaker half filled with water and put the leaves inside and give the temperatures to boil the waters and make the leaves soften. Now, second point, take a leaf out of the water and immerse it in a test tube containing alcohol. Now, dear students, just see the test tube which is containing what? Alcohol. And we have to put this leaf into the test tube which are containing alcohol. Now, third point. Before starting third point, place the test tube in a beaker containing water and heat till the leaf loses all its green color. Dear students, if it loses its green colors, it becomes colorless. This is required to see any color changes on addition of iodine. Now come to the next one. Take a bleached leaf out of the test tube and wash it with the water. Now we have to take out this leaf from the test tube and wash it carefully to remove the excess amount of alcohol. Now fourth point, add a few drops of iodine to the leaf. Now we add the iodine. When the starch is present in the leaf, it reacts with the iodine and turns into the blue-black color. What do you observe? Now come to the observation. The bleached leaf turns blue-black in color because iodine reacts with the starch and turns blue-black. Conclusion. Chlorophyll dissolve in the warm alcohol. Thus, boiling of the leaves with the alcohol removes all its chlorophyll and bleaches it. When iodine is added to the bleached leaf, it combines with the starch. As I told you earlier, starch is present inside the leaf and iodine combined it's turned into the blue-black color. The leaf and turns it blue-black in color. This confirms the presence of starch in the leaves. I earlier told you this activity. Photosynthesis takes place in a green plant. It also shows that starch present in the leaf. It confirms that starch is present in the leaves. Students, hope you understood the process of photosynthesis takes place in the green leaves. Dear students, your homework is you have to read this activity thoroughly. Be safe, stay home. Thank you.